Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In the last video, we have learned how to make Google account and how to access Google Drive using the email address you have just created. Today we will be learning how to create forms in Google. As you can see, my Google is already opened and I have already typed out forms.google.com. I'm just going to click on the search button and the first link that comes is Google Forms.sign-in, and then I can see a link called to continue to forms. I'll click on this. And as you can see, I am on Google Forms. Over here, I can create forms. I'll click on blank. You can see there are some options, like if you want to create a form where you'll be able to save contact information. Over here, you can see RSVP. You can also create one for party invite. They have already given you some template over here. Maybe you can check more. As you can see, find the time, event registration. You can also find for job, for education. So the templates are given by Google itself. So if you want to make your own template, do click on blank and it will take you to a completely blank form. Over here you can have your own title, you can give your own description, then you have questions over here and you can have more questions down below. So we can see some options given on our right hand side. So the first thing is if you click on it, you will be able to add questions. Let's see. You see you have untitled question 1 and 2 here. You can type any question here. Let's say I'll just type a simple question. And you can give the second question here. So you can see you have 2 questions here. You can also give options. You see, add other. You can have 2 to 3 options. Okay, so the second thing is you can import questions. If we click on that, if you have any forms over here which you have previously used, you can use from here. Since I have not used any, I don't have. You can also see previously selected. If you have any form questions that you have previously selected, you can find it easily over here. Since I have not used, like I said previously, I don't have any questions here. Okay, so the third option over here we can see is to add title or description. We already have space for our title and description, but if you want to add more titles, then you can click on this icon. You can see I can add my title number 2 as well as I can have a description. You can duplicate if you want using that icon. You can delete if you want to delete your title number 2, and you can also choose whether you would like to show your description or no. You see, you can only show your title. Then we can add photos, we can add videos as well, and finally we can add section. You see, section 2 of 2. This is section 1 of 2 and this is section 2 of 2. Over here you can again add questions. You see, you'll have questions for your section 2. You can choose whether there will be multiple or checkbox or drop down or no. You can also upload files. You can have whether you want a short answer or a long answer. You have some more options over here. You can choose as your convenience. And we are done here creating our form. Then comes to responses. You can choose whether you are accepting responses or not. If you are not, then this message will go to the respondents. Then you have settings over here, whether you would like to make it as a quiz. You can make changes for your responses. As you can see, whether you'd like to collect email addresses or no. You can also select this option. So you click on this, you can request the responders to send their email address. You can also have some default changes to your forms. You can give a title for your form over here. I prefer doing this towards the end. You can do it at the beginning as per your convenience. You can move your form to a folder. You can also start it if you want. You can change the theme over here. You can change the color, the background color. You can also change your font style over here. As you can see, I can put it to formal. Alright. Then you can see who can preview it. You can also undo some of your changes over here. You see, I can change it. If you want, you can redo. As you can see the changes over here. And then you can, if you click on send button, you will be sending your form out to everyone you would like to send. You can see that you have typed a message over here. You can put your subject here, and you can also put to the people you would like to send. Their email address will be over here. You can add collaborators if you want. You can also select whether you would like emails to be included or no. Once you hit the send button, your form is ready to go. Finally, I hope my video was and will be helpful for you all. Please let us know if you have any request. Post your comments below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.